Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we're comparing two upgraded mini washers, the 15L and the 15.8L models. Both are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them perfect for apartments, dorms, and travel. Let's dive into their features and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to pricing, the 15L model is priced at $69, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the 15.8L model, which costs $79. This difference of $10 might be worth considering depending on your budget and needs. In terms of capacity, the 15L washer can handle a decent load for small items, while the 15.8L model offers slightly more space, allowing for a bit more laundry at once. This could be a crucial factor for those with larger loads or more frequent laundry needs. Both models come with a spin dryer, but the 15.8L model boasts 3 cleaning modes, providing more versatility for different types of laundry. This feature could be a game changer for users looking for tailored washing options. In conclusion, both portable washing machines have their strengths. The 15L model is more affordable, while the 15.8L offers additional features and slightly more capacity. Consider your needs and budget before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe